like us all using the same thing, but we build up our stuff fast. You want to go to Ultra or anything?
I don't know. I was looking for me a perfume, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Dragged me out of the house. Not what I wanted to do. I don't even know.
And it's Saturday.
We're at, I don't even know what this mall is called. I really don't even know. Strip mall. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, we look better with a mask on. Why did you tell me? You go. Hello. You have to do a comparison. Oh. Okay. What you here for? I like this. You know why they got this here, right? Coffee beans. Because when you spray and you sniff the coffee beans to help your nose neutralize again so you can smell the scent of the next scent. You're welcome. You're welcome. Empty. Oh yeah, it's really light. I wish it even have ice. Nikita Dragon. They could be doing it. They be doing it big.
Oh, I wish you had like a palette for like just glitter.
Oh, shucks. They had the James Charles little palette. They got the mini one like that one.
That's like great.
Oh my goodness, this cough drop is burning my eyes. Cause the mints is blowing through the mask.
How much them go?
They got the big one. That they don't have a mini, do they? We got nothing. I shop online. I can't do this. I don't mind going to stores, but as far as getting what I want, everybody touch on. Get your pop of green.
I don't know about
$16. That's a little one though. I suppose that's for the big size.
apparently I just felt like shopping. What lenses are cheap?
You don't need no blending brush. I asked you, do you need a brush? You're like, no, I don't need no brush. What are you brushing for? Fake camera.
You got bronzer? They don't really. I like.
Ain't got one, remember?
Why was this for darker skin people, but this one was darker, and this one's a medium tone.
Girl, don't get me lying about what these people be falsifying.
But these don't look so nice.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with these eyelashes. Are they matted like that?
They just how they look.
I'm gonna try them. That's all I'm spending. I'm out of here. I ain't got time for y'all. CeraVe. How you doing? Oh my God! You got me crying.
All right, this was Easter Sunday morning when I got up. Hadn't quite got dressed yet, but I just wanted to get on TikTok and have a little fun. Yes, I did. Got on TikTok and put on a little praise song and had myself a ball. So that's that on that. And then on the 10th of April, y'all, I told y'all I've been trying to get some things together, organized in my cabinets. So I bought these little storage containers, and I wanted to go ahead and get it all set up, you know, with these 4 that I have. So this is me creating a mess before I clean it up. Pulled all that stuff out of the cabinets, and now I'm just gonna see what I see. Oh yes, that looks way, way better. You know, I didn't get my labels right lined up, but you know, it still is awesome. Yes, indeed. I've got the little stuff down here. Yeah, I like it. So today we are getting our heating and air installed, and the poor doggies had to go to the little pen so they wouldn't run around and bite people. So they're locked up right now. Cookie, Cupcake, Coco. Good God Almighty. What the world? If you don't get off of me, I could wear these clothes 2 days in a row.
My dogs wouldn't let me be. These dogs will just, they just attack me every time I come outside.
So y'all know I'm always buying gadgets off of Amazon. This is a spray bottle, but this spray bottle is so ingenious that it has a continuous spray kind of mode on it. And I really wanted this because I spray my rose water on my face, but I wanted to have it in a bottle that did not just squirt all over my face and make, just all the wrong way. But this is supposed to be the greatest thing ever. And so I am going to use it. So I'm going to get ready to test it out like right now. Let's see what it does. Refreshing. Oh, that spray is really, it wasn't, I just scared myself that when it hit my eye, but that is amazing. I really sprayed on too much, but I got my rose water in the bottle. It's perfect. Well, the house is in shambles. As you can see, they're still working on the heating and air, day 2, okay? And looks like it may continue into another day because there was a part that was missing in the attic, and this is all of the little insulation type stuff that goes around the vent upstairs or whatever for the ducts or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, that's it. That's behind the scenes for the last week or so, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know you did by dropping a like on the video, subscribing to the channel, and also hitting your bell so you'll know the next time I upload. Y'all get ready for more fun. It is going on right here. Life with Sweet Angel and Mike behind the scenes. And y'all know Maddie pops in every now and then too. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. And hey, share me with your world. Bye.